Hey, baby, you are coughing. You cannot eat candy. You should eat the egg. Come on, baby.
No, I hate that.
Okay, she loves candy. Maybe I make an egg candy for her. Okay. Baby, I have a big candy for you. Come on.
I did this. The candy?
A big candy.
What do I have to do with this candy?
You can open it.
I don't want to open the candy. Yay. I love candy. Candy is my favorite. If you like candy, subscribe to this video. Big candy. Come on, baby candy. Come on.
Oh, baby, you should wash it first and your hands.
Okay. That's good, guys. We will wash this. What it would do is it will hatch. Is it toy?
Here you go.
Where's the washing machine?
And you should wash your hands as well.
Okay. Can you hold this, mommy? I love this candy. That's a baby candy. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. And wash hand. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Excuse me. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wash, wash, wash. Your hand has to be clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Ah!
Here you go.
Wash the egg. Wash the egg. Egg, egg, egg. Wash the egg. Egg, egg, egg. Look at this egg. It is nice and clean. Oh, egg candy. Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Egg candy. Look at this egg candy. Oh,
Oh, baby,
what?
you should break it first.
Ooh. Come guys, let's break it. Wow. Wow. It looks like an egg. It's very yummy. Also, it's sweet because candies are sweet. Sweeter than I thought. Smells it like a sweet candy. Is it egg candy?
Try it first.
I love egg candy. I tried it before. It did exist. Wow, I have the skin. What is this? It's like the egg. Okay. Let's do this. Egg candy. Egg candy. Egg candy. Egg. How long would you peel it?
And I think 1 more minute.
Is it done yet, the candy? We're done, Izzy. I think we're almost done. Candy. Is that this is a toy? Is this
You'll find it later.
Ooh, I like toys. If you like toys, then subscribe this week. Like a baby animal toy. If you like animals, then subscribe this video. If you love toys, then like this video. Wow, this is so cool. The baby. Look at this baby egg. I gotta try this egg. Oh, it's sour. Why is this sour? Why is this sour?
Is this sour or salty?
Sour. Oh, because of this. Ew. What's this? Lemon.
Right, you should take it out, otherwise you cannot digest it.
Okay. Mm. 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 It's sweet, but it looks like egg.
Actually, it's an egg.
I hate eggs. Blech, gross. Better try next time, Mommy. I'm starving. Egg. There's an egg. Ooh, some pills. I'm starving. I'm full now. It's so tasty. Actually, not as much as it's pasta. There's something. Ooh, it looks yellow. This could be handy. I know. I'm an army pack. I take this and yeah. I could do it for yellow tissue. Yellow tissue. love yellow. It looks cold. Now we're gonna cut the noses. Okay. And done. I'm not just going to. Oh, there's it's easy. Oh, no one sees it. I can cut this. I haven't seen a big sea. I always see a close first. Like there's a one. Okay. Now it's the cut of this one. No one needs it. I need it. Okay, it's important. Good. Now we need something. Tape it together. Ta-da! It's coming good. That's what I know. But do something good. Let me teach you what. I have to take other part is right here. That's that. Cut it. I can do more. Okay. Now I can more of this stuff because I don't need to step. Okay. Now I can do this. Look at this. I got sticker with this. And only a few more things. Okay, the last thing, tape it back. Ah, so good. I cut the because it's good to be first. Now I'm gonna put around it. There's a light lamp. And we need more tape. Maybe we could do like a little bunny. Yes. Which one do you think? If you like this, then a bunny ear and put the eyes, then subscribe this video or do a good dog, then you hit the like button. This is also you can subscribe. It will be good. Okay. I think we will do this for us. Another video that do we have more subscribers or likes. If we have more subscribers, then we're doing the bunny. If we have more likes, then we're gonna do doggy. Okay? I promise I will do one of you guys. Say. So good. Let's twist it. And twist it. Wait. First, cat. Okay, to here. Here, cut that. Okay. Now we need another tape. And then another tape. Look at this. We need to twist this. Twisting it. More stuff. Okay. Now we have the like this. And then tape it. Okay. Okay, look at this. Now I did something. Okay, I think we need more details. We should do the doggy first. And with the ears. More stuff. Or maybe next video. Because I think we can do this. I think my sister will like this. I'm gonna give it to my son. Wow, this is something. Hey buddy, do you want to turn it over? It's a silk right there. Okay, you should go back there. Okay, I can give it to my sister. Oh, forget my stuff. Oh, I can ask my sister if she wants it. I want to buy a new iPhone. Hey, sister. I got this for you.
Wow, it's really nice. Thank
You
you.
want it?
Yeah, sure. What's that?
Oh, it's a present for your birthday. It's your birthday, that's why I will give it to you.
But I don't like it.
I could make you another one. Oh, I know. I could sell it, but my sister don't know it. But we can sell it at $1 million because I use my handmade, and then I could buy a new iPhone 16 or 15. I'll buy that iPhone. Then I'm gonna give it to my sister. My sister will be happy because she wanted a new iPhone for a whole birthday. But I didn't give her the what she needs. Okay, that's it. Oh, this would be good. And what's this? This thingy. What's this? Oh, be $1 million or $1,000. You can pick it, 1 million or 1,000. Only those two. Who wants those? No one wants to buy it. I think I can't give it to my sister. I'm gonna ask one more time. And like, each. Who wants this one? Who wants this one? It costs $1 million. It costs $1 million.
Wow.
Who wants this?
I want this one, but $1 million is a bit expensive.
Yeah, can you
Okay.
give me the money? Then I could buy the iPhone.
Oh, okay. You can get it from there.
Where? Can you show me?
Here,
Where? Here?
the blue one, yeah.
This one?
Yeah, no, there.
Can you show me? Can you show me? Where is it?
The money bank
Where's the money bank? I don't
next
know.
to the chair.
I don't know what is money bank. Can you?
Here you go. Yeah, this one.
Oh, thanks. Okay. What's the password?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. It's so much of those. I'm rich now. I'm rich. I think this could buy an iPhone. Okay, I forgot to give that customer. Wait, customer! I forgot to give you this.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, let me buy a new iPhone. Hope it's enough for the iPhone. Hi, I got $1 million for the iPhone 15, 16.
Okay. Can you give me all those money?
Wait, there's a foundation. It's for poor people. I probably buy my sister present. There's a foundation. If you want me to put in the foundation, then subscribe this video. If you don't want, then like this video. I can see how much. It's subscribing. Yay! They're subscribing! Then I could give it to the foundation. But I'm gonna buy an other one. Okay. Foundation. Here you go. I'm gonna give you $500. I don't really have much more money. This is all I have.
Hey, hey, I'm Moses. I heard from God that you are very generous and donate all of your money to the poor people. Is it true?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you this iPhone,
iPhone what?
iPhone 17, the one you want.
iPhone 17? Yay! iPhone 17!
You can give it to your sister.
Yeah, use the money.
Oh no, you deserve it.
Oh, thank you, Moses. You can keep it. I don't need it. Thanks. By the way, thanks you, Moses. And say to thank you to God that I have this iPhone and then give those money to God. I don't need that. Okay?
Okay.
Bye. Yes, I have the phone. Yeah. My sister should love. Hey, sister.
Yeah,
I have a surprise for you.
what kinds of surprise?
I'm gonna give you a hint. You really, really love it.
Is it can eat?
Can it?
Is it can eat or cannot eat?
It cannot eat.
What's that? Is it food?
Correct!
Whoa! Thank you, my little sister.
Happy birthday, little sister.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Oh no, my jacket! I forgot where's
Here you go. Here you go.
You found my jacket? Thank you, sister. I love you.
Okay.
Do you love it?
Yeah, sure.
If you like dogs, subscribe this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.